Hello ladies and gentlemen, a lot of bullshit on the net about how to set, or reset should I say, the Mercedes W204 service indicator, or how to get to those hidden menus. You don't need anything to do with the little clock adjust button over here. All you need for this job is the telephone accept button here, and on the other side of the steering, the OK button here. You get in the car, pop your key in, twist it to position 1. Now, all you do, now it's going to be a bit tricky here because I've only got one hand available to me, so hopefully you're going to get a decent view. Hold down the call accept button, press the OK button straight after, hold for 5 seconds, voila, you're into the menu. Scroll down to Assyst Plus, press OK, and you can now start resetting the menus. Thank you very much.